Let me ask you something. Why do you feel tired even when you don't work that hard? Why do you plan everything but still procrastinate? Why does motivation disappear the moment you sit down to study? You think these habits are normal. Psychology disagrees. And the scary part is, almost every student does them. Student life is not easy. Classes, assignments, exams, pressure. You want to do better, but your mind feels foggy, distracted, burnt out. You're not lazy, you're not broken. Some normal-looking habits are quietly training your brain the wrong way. Let's start with how your day begins. Most students wake up and instantly grab their phone. Just a quick scroll, just checking notifications. But psychology shows your brain is highly sensitive right after waking up. Whatever you consume first sets your mental tone for hours. Social media fills your mind with noise, comparison, urgency. Your brain starts the day reacting instead of focusing. That's why your whole morning feels distracted. Try this tomorrow. Don't touch your phone for the first 15 minutes. Wash your face, stretch, sit quietly. Let your brain wake up naturally. Now, let's talk about studying. Many students wait to feel motivated before starting, but motivation doesn't work that way. Psychology is clear. Action creates motivation. When you wait, your brain stays stuck. When you start, motivation follows. Tell yourself you'll study for just 5 minutes. Most of the time, you won't stop. Your brain only needed a start signal. Another common habit is studying with constant distractions. Phone on the table, notifications on, music changing every few minutes. Your brain never enters deep focus. Every distraction leaves a mental scratch. That's why you feel tired but unproductive. Put your phone in another room. One task, one screen. Even 25 focused minutes beats hours of distracted effort. By afternoon, energy crashes. Many students skip breaks and call it discipline. But your brain is not a machine. Without recovery, performance drops fast. This is how burnout starts. You don't lose motivation suddenly. You slowly drain it. Take intentional breaks. Stand up, walk, breathe. Rest is not weakness, it's strategy. Now the evening. Most students end the day with guilt. I wasted today. I'm behind everyone else. This feels normal, but psychology says it's harmful. Your brain remembers emotional endings. Ending the day with guilt trains anxiety. Before sleeping, write one small win, even something simple. Progress grows where kindness exists. And listen carefully. You're not behind, you're not weak. You're learning how your brain works. One last habit. Being busy is not the same as being productive. Long hours don't equal progress. Clarity does. Each morning, ask yourself one question. What is the one thing that moves me forward today? Do that first. You thought these habits were normal. Now you know better. Change doesn't need motivation. It needs awareness and one small action today. Fix the input, the output will follow. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more psychology-based student growth content, and share this with someone who's struggling silently. You're not alone, and you're capable of more than you think.